I've been awake for 8 days straight. It must have been them pills I took. I've been twitching, turning, and seeing visions. Must have been them pills I took. Hey, I don't know what they were, and I don't know where I got them, but they sure made me feel good. That's all I ask for. There's blood on the carpet and holes in the walls. Must have been them pills I took. Tell the fears are all busted, and I hear someone crying. Must have been them pills.